Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is harira, or the famous Moroccan soup. We usually make it in Ramadan when we are fasting, and also in winter time. It's very rich in protein. It has chickpeas, lentils, and some herbs and vegetables like tomatoes, onions, celery, parsley, cilantro. In a pressure cooker, I put a whole can of tomato sauce. You can use fresh tomatoes and chickpeas, a bowl of chickpeas that I soaked overnight, 2 big spoons of tomato paste, and 2 chopped finely onions. I use here white onions. You can use any kind of onions. And for the herbs, I'm using here the cilantro, like a half big bowl of cilantro. This will make a lot of soup, this recipe. And also the same quantity of parsley, a half bowl of parsley, and the same quantity, another half bowl of chopped celery, and a half bowl of well-rinsed lentils. Mix everything together. Then I will start adding the oil. You can use any oil you like to. In Morocco, we use also ghee, or you can use butter. Salt, salt to taste, depend on the quantity of soup you're cooking. And some ginger. Always I say ginger in Moroccan cooking is the double quantity of the black pepper. Turmeric, I don't use no colorant, artificial colorant. I use always turmeric. It's very rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. And some black pepper. Mix again everything together. The smell of the ingredients before that's it even cooked, it's really good. It smells really good. See, this soup is very rich in nutrients, very rich. After everything mix and start cooking a little bit for a few minutes, I add the saffron. Few of them here. If you don't have it, don't use it, but if you have it, it will add a very nice taste to the soup. Then we add hot water, the enough water for this soup to cook everything. This is a soup. Don't add cold water. You always add hot water when you cook your food. Mix everything. Then I think I will add a little bit more. It wasn't enough water there. Then I close my pressure cooker for 25 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm boiling some sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, and some carrots. Usually in Morocco, they thicken the soup with flour, water and flour. But I don't like to use the flour. That's why I thicken it with potatoes and some vegetables. And it's more healthy. After a half hour, my ingredients were done. The lentils and chickpeas very tender. Now I blended my vegetables and I add them to this soup. I will adjust with some water because they look thick now, but I will add enough water to have the right thickness to it. First of all, you mix everything, then you can see if you need any water or not. Yes, for me it wasn't enough. I added more. I mix again everything together and let it cook for a few minutes. Also, at this time you can add some ghee or butter. If you like to add it, it gives a nice taste. And also the noodles, like vermicelli noodles, like the ones that you see here, or some rice. Some people prefer rice, some people prefer this small noodles, the vermicelli noodles. At this time, you mix like that the noodles don't stick in the bottom and burn. The same thing if you add rice. Earlier when I talk about adding the ghee or the butter, it wasn't showing. This is the video that shows when I add it. You mix. Really gives a very nice flavor, this ghee to the soup. Like I said earlier, if you don't have it, you can add a spoon of butter and let everything cook. Now my soup looks already done. The texture is the right one, and the color, the thickness, and everything is well done. And that was the recipe for harira, the famous Moroccan soup. So delicious and nutritious, very tasty and flavorful. And if you follow the steps, you will have a very good soup. This soup freezes very good. You can put it in some containers and put it in the freezer. And the last step, you can add some cilantro, chopped cilantro, like only like 2-3 minutes before that you turn the stove off. Like that you have this freshness of cilantro on the soup. And that was the last step. Mix everything together and that's it. It will be ready to serve and enjoy it with some piece of toast, or you can have it like a dinner, lunch. It's really delicious. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new recipe and new video. Enjoy! This is pictures of some of my recipes. Salmon in the air fryer, so crispy and nice, moist from the inside. Harira Moroccan soup, very flavorful, delicious and nutritious. Eggplant appetizer or entree in the air fryer, the Moroccan way. Some string beans or green beans. And spinach, the Moroccan way too. Very, very delicious, this recipe. You can check it on my channel, all these recipes. This is the Moroccan couscous with lamb and barley couscous. Also here the caramelized onions. And the last one is the white beans or navy beans in tomato sauce, the Moroccan way. Enjoy!